Welcome to Door Handles Limited. We are the sole distributors for Dorspec door handles and architectural hardware in the UK and Ireland. Dorspec have many different Italian designs of modern round rose lever handles with various high quality finishes that will give a beautiful end result to your new or refurbished doors. There is also a beautiful range of traditional and modern backplate handles which will enhance any door. Our round rose lever handles come with screw fixings and bolt fixings and are simple and easy to install. Deliveries arrive frequently in container loads to our warehouse, where they are unloaded by forklifts and then neatly shelved. At any given time, there would be more than 100,000 sets of door handles in stock. Dorspec gives you, the customer, the confidence of buying from a large, established company. At Dorspec, we are here to help you. Deliveries by parcel force will be fast and efficient to your doorstep throughout the UK and Ireland. Dorspec is a quality product, perfect for the architect and the discerning customer. We at Door Handles Limited look forward to supplying you.